Gonna do a brake job on this Buick. Let's get it, buddy. Going up with it. Right.
Next thing.
Always have your jack stand, guys, when you send down. And like we dealing with the earth, the ground, we gotta make sure that we don't dig into it. So put your boards down, jack it up good, take your little nuts off. All right, the towel. Use it for a chill, get to everything. Stuff right now. Taking this boat apart.
Let me show y'all a sweet little deal. Show you how you do this. The easy way to get this done is remove the 10mm bolt at the bottom. Make sure you keep up with your bolts. Now, fly ahead, sir. Pass up. See? Look down in there. You see it? You see it down in there? See the plunger? See the brake pads? One on each end. If y'all thinking that I'm praying against the back of the rotor, I'm not. I'm literally using the brake pad and prying against the brake pad, pushing the boot back into the hub itself. Now, if I use the opening wrench, once you get it pushed back so far, you continue pushing this back, using it, the opening wrench, without using a C-clamp or a press, which would be easier. It's each or, you know. Voila. Just push back. Brake cleaner.
Yep.
Okay. You stand back. You do not want to breathe in brake asbestos. All brakes puts out brake asbestos. That's what helps brakes the dirt dye. Use brake cleaner.
Yeah, we got that Champion's brand. Get the job done.
Now, when you like that, you should be able to slide these out. Don't forget the direction of which way the pads go. Which you can see these pads are gone.
Yeah,
There's nothing left. This is the pad right here between this. This is the pad holder. You can tell that they're all actually gone. The indicator is telling that these are bad. These are indicators. They also hold it. These brakes are past due. See the indicator?
Yeah.
Now you know when it touches against the rotor, this indicator here touches against it too to let you know that the brakes are bad. See, it sticks out just enough where it don't be metal on metal. See the distance between the brake pads itself and the brake holder itself.
Right. Let's get
See
the
the
new
difference?
pads. Let's get it. Guys, we got our Duralast brakes from AutoZone.
And yes, we will be showing The backs and the fronts.
He gave us some grease. That's my boy there. He asked me that I wanted some. That's alright.
Front pad. Back pad. Brake lubricant.
Get it, baby.
You see what I'm doing?
Nice and lubricated, buddy. So you won't hear no squeaks or none of that. That's all the grease for. Keep everything lubricated.
Now, it's done. Now, show you the difference.
Yep. Definitely see the thickness in that one and nothing on the other one. Yep. Yeah, those pads gone, man. It was definitely time for these to get did.
Please don't wait till the last second to do your brakes. You hear squealing, go on and change it because you're going to spend more money in the long run. You're going to damage your rotor, which that causes us to have to go through and have to either shaved or replacement. This will cause your car to shake when you hit your brakes or shake at a high rate of speed. This does spin. If this is bent, it would throw the harm on the vehicle off, causing you more problems besides the outer tie rod ends, upper ball joints, lower ball joints. So please change your brakes on time.
All right.
No breathing, no nothing. You never open up the master cylinder or the brakes, the brake caliper itself. There's no need to worry about air gun in the system. You do not need to replace the fluid unless it's low. As long as no one is in it pressing the brakes, you have no problems. You should be able to push the fluid cylinder back, which causes the fluid in here to push back to the master cylinder. So once the fluid gets pushed back to the master cylinder in the vehicle, the fluid returns back to normal level height. Okay, putting it back on, 10mm screw. Mighty tighty, let it loosen. That's it.
All right. First one done, guys. On to the next tie. All right. Plug nuts. Get them back on.
Always start your bolts with hand, never with an impact gun or a drill. Start them by hand to keep from cross-threading your bolts.
One side knocked out, guys. On to the next.